Good afternoon, ALC people. Well, welcome back to my channel. If you've been watching the progress on this bike, you can see the motors now in it. It was brought back yesterday, early yesterday morning. So I've spent most of the day on this. I was up here quite early this morning. And basically, it had this clutch cover wanted rebuilding, refurbed oil pump, new seals and bearings and what have yous, seal on kickstart, various gaskets. That bit went on. I've cleaned out all the threads in these cases because when you have these blasted, it can affect the quality of the threads. So everything that I could get the tap into, I have cleaned them all out. The barrels wanted studs, redone them. What else did they put on it? Temperature sender in there, new one of them, new plugs. I've sorted out some reed blocks because it had no reed blocks. So reed blocks, new rubbers, balance tube obviously. Very happy about that. It took a little while. This is the Mutts Nuts power dynamo. I have actually set it up and I have got it to set 2 degrees to 2.5 before top dead centre. Very good piece of equipment. You have to add the neutral wire in there into this loom because it's universal, this piece of equipment. The original mag would have had the blue wire which feeds the neutral switch. What else have I done? I've done the gear mod down there. I've got some tie bars to fettle for it. Put some oil in it. I've got some exhaust to fettle for it. But it's come a long way in the last week. I think I started this bike, I don't know if it was last Thursday / Friday. You've seen all those bits I've already posted about, but it's coming together. I wanted to get the motor in it today. That was very important for me to resolve for the chap. But the work will continue on this bike next week. For the next couple of days, I've got some other bits on. Big shout out to Gary Horsepole. Your bike's on the bench now, Gary. Got a small to-do list. He wanted some new tyres. It's got 2 new tyres and tubes on there to go on it. It's got running issues. And he said basically the clocks were not registering properly. When he dropped it off and I ran it, the rev counter just was so lazy. It was unbelievable. It wouldn't pick up. And basically he explained that the speedo, when you did about 30, was way up. So he says that's out as well. So I've got clocks, running issues, tyres and tubes. So I'll be on this bike tomorrow and you'll see a bit more progress with what I'm doing. But like I say, the bike over here, that'll be next week now before I get back onto it. But tomorrow and probably Friday I will be on this. Okay folks, thanks for watching. I hope you're enjoying the channel. Keep doing your likes and subscribes and any pleasant comments you might have. Be happy to hear from you. Okay folks, that's all for now. Thanks for watching. Dilly dilly.